Hello YouTube, and today I'm going to show you how to dismantle your controller. Now, just a fair warning before you do so, that when you do this, you will void the warranty because there's a hidden screw behind this sticker. If you can find somehow to get that off, great. But this will just void the warranty. Tools you'll need to just dismantle the controller itself. I don't have a screwdriver. I have a Torx T8 security bit. Yeah, you probably can't see that. I'm just zooming on my iPod for now. I have no camera whatsoever. But this is what you'll need. So, on the back, there are 7 screws. There are just one there, 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 and there. And then there's just one hidden behind here that you just gotta poke a hole, make a hole, and you'll see it whenever I take these out. But let's get started. There's one screw. Be sure to put all your screws in a bowl or something where you know they'll be. And before I had this Torx T8, I would use a screwdriver. It would fit perfectly in there, and well, yeah. That one just kind of fell out. And you gotta be kind of patient, because these things are a wee bit annoying. After you get this thing, yeah, great. That's good. Now, these last ones, a little bit tough. A little tough. I'll probably get those ones off camera because it takes a while. You gotta have, because if you have a bit like mine, it's not gonna reach down there very far. So it's kind of hard to get out of there. Gotta wiggle around, find it. In this case, since I don't have the long bit, I have this little screwdriver. As you can see, I've already kind of used it. It really sucks. But the important part is it actually gets the screws out. Yeah, I got that one out. And if you don't know where to find one of these little flathead screwdrivers, I just went to Ace. And these are glasses screws, as you can see. They're meant for glasses. They have extra set of screws in there. Yeah. So just get that down in there. sorry about that. I had to kind of really concentrate. So as I was saying earlier, there's one screw under here. So you just make a little hole, whatever. It's pretty easy to find. You just get in there, and if you're more careful than me, you can get it. Ah, there we go. So as we unscrew that last one, as you can see, it's kind of popping out there. Okay, now all screws are removed. What you do now is you just try to pry this away. And since this controller's actually never been taken apart, because usually it's easy to just take controllers apart, but if that doesn't work, then what you want to do is push down on the thumbsticks like this. And this will eventually come out. The thumb pad, I wouldn't push down that because it doesn't matter. It's connected to the same thing you're prying from, so. There we go. So, right now, we have the little mother chip right here. The triggers stay connected. My next video might be how to take triggers off and stuff like that. But as you can see, we have a fully taken apart controller. Now, you'll want to be careful, as in when removing this, remove it when you're face down, like. So, let me just pull that out here now. Because as you can see, you'll want to remove that whenever, because the buttons fall out. So, and by the way, these are all separate pieces. You can take these off. And as you see, my other controller, let me get that. I actually just painted this last night. As you can see, the glossy paint. I switched the bumpers and the triggers. So let me hand it a little right back up here to hold my iPhone. There we go. So now you got that. Your controller is fully disabled. So now, my next video, you just actually dismantle the controller in 8 minutes and 15 seconds. So my next video is how to take triggers off and all that good stuff. I will see you guys later.